But that's kind of what we just said. 2 squared is 4, negative 2 squared is 4. Okay. If we got to the point like we were solving this, x squared equals negative 4, right, we would have to take the square root of negative 4. And what kind of answer would we get? We would get imaginary. But remember what they said. They said, I think it was a equals the nth root of b. And a and b are real. We don't want non-real answers. So when we're doing this stuff, at least in our textbook that we're using right now, we're not interested in non-real answers. If we just say non-real, and we're going to move on from there. Right? So we can't take square roots. You can't take even roots of negative numbers because those would be imaginary, and we're told that we're dealing with real numbers. Okay, it's not the same thing with odd roots. If I say 2 to the third is 8, negative 2 to the third is not 8, right? Because if I take a negative 2 times itself 3 times, the answer ends up being negative. Okay, so it's not like there's 2 ways to get to 8 when you're cubing things. There's really only one. If I take the cubed root of negative 27, we don't say non-real answer. It has an answer. The answer is negative 3. So you can take a cubed root or an odd root of a negative number, and your answer will be odd, or will be negative. You just can't take the even root. So that's the thing you look out for. And there's no such thing as a principal square root of an odd root, because there's only one for, if it's positive, it's positive. If it's taken the cube root of a negative, it's negative. There's none that could be plus or minus anyways. So this whole principal root is only for even roots.